What up, YouTube, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I am back with another lock tutorial for you fine folks out there. And today I'm going to style my hair for my anniversary pictures. December 27 makes it 9 beautiful years with my husband, and so you guys know I gotta go all out, but in true Brittany D fashion. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my curly bang Marge Simpson combination look thing. I don't know, we're just going to jump right into it. Now, because I have colored my hair, I need to hydrate it because it is extremely dry right now. So I'm just going to take my H2O, that good old agua, and we're going to just drench our hair. Well, not drench, but spray our hair. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm moisturizing my hair a little bit more than I was previously because my hair is now color treated. And to prevent it from breaking or thinning my locks, you want to make sure that you are keeping your hair moisturized. And so, of course, I'm using my favorite leave-in conditioner by Fortified and my big thing of grapeseed oil. You can find this on Amazon, or if you're near a Whole Foods or just a health store in general, they sell grapeseed cooking oil, and that's all this is cooking oil, the same as like using olive oil. You get what I'm saying? You know, it's safe for your hair. But I'm going to apply a generous amount to my lovely locks, and I'm not going to be shy about it. I'm really going to work that product in there, making sure not to leave one lock unturned or something like that. Whatever the old folks used to say. But now I'm going to grab my soft bristle brush and I'm going to detangle some of those roots. And doing this helps with the styling process. It does make it a little bit easier. And we can't forget about all the amazing benefits that comes from brushing your locks. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and check out some of my previous videos where I dig into that a little bit more. But for right now, we're just going to brush our hair and dip. Now it's time to separate the hair. I am going to separate my bang from my tower. And this part, you really got to be careful because you have to pick the right locks. It's all about what locks is going to look the best for the bang. And so I'm just carefully picking what locks is going to flow naturally and look the best. You know, we got to shape the face with the hair, you know. Bangs are not a one size fit all, okay? You got to make sure you got the right size, and so you have to make sure you are picking and choosing the right locks. And I'm a stickler right now, so once I am done going back and forth, I'm going to make my final decision, the final countdown, and I'm going to secure the rest of the hair with my handy dandy mailing rubber band, and I'm going to begin styling the bang. Now this part is what you guys have been waiting for. Y'all want to know my secrets, so I'm going to show you. So what you're going to need is some Tresemme mousse, and you're going to need some yellow perm rods. It gots to be the yellow ones, okay? Don't be coming out here with no pink and purple. It gots to be the yellow ones. So you want to start off by applying a generous amount of mousse to your damp lock, because you guys remember we already hydrated and moisturized it previously. And now we're going to take that yellow perm rod and begin the curl. And I'm just doing a simple spiral curl. And I'm going to do this by wrapping the end of the lock around the base of the perm rod. While doing so, I'm going to begin to twist upward and continue to twist until I reach my end point. Once I reach the end, I'm going to secure the perm rod in place, and boom, this is pretty much how I do my curls. And I'm just going to repeat those steps again. So if you need to see it again, here it goes again. Please excuse my heightness. I don't know what came over me. But again, we're going to start off with a damp lock, some mousse, and as you can see, just want to wrap the end of that lock around the base of the perm rod and begin to twist like so. And continue to twist and twist and twist and twist until you reach your end point. And I do apologize if you're having a hard time seeing what's going on. These nails are pretty long and they're kind of in the way, but I am trying my best to show you how to do this spiral curl. But just in case you are a little slow at learning, I'm going to show you again one more time. I have finished my bang, I'm going to take my handheld dryer, and on the low setting, I'm going to begin blow drying my locks just a tad because I want to make sure that my bangs are completely dry before I remove these rollers. I want them to be nice and tight like Curly Sue. I don't even know who Curly Sue is, but I'm going to be curly like her. Now that I'm done with the blow dryer, I'm going to begin the tower, the Marge Simpson, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to begin gathering some locks, and yeah, I'm going to begin gathering some locks and putting them into some ponytails. I mean, this is just what's happening right now. My locks are different lengths because I am rocking a lock bob, and so I have to collect my locks into small sections. That way I can grow the tower instead of trying to force all my locks into one ponytail, if that makes sense. So the locks that I have in my hand right now will be one ponytail. Then I will gather another group of locks, and over time it will just gradually grow until all the locks are in one big ponytail. But of course, if you guys would like a more in-depth video, I do have one available on my YouTube channel. You guys could go ahead and check that one out. But we're going to go ahead and fast forward just a little tad.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first.
Alright, so I went ahead and styled the rest of my hair. If you guys are interested to see how I did this tower, I do have a more in-depth video located on my YouTube channel, but of course we need to save some time. So as you see, I do have my handheld blow dryer, and I'm just going to add some additional heat to those curls just to make sure that they are completely dry. But I want to share with you guys a simple technique on how to properly remove perm rods, especially when you have locks, because there is a right and wrong way to do it. So when you are removing these perm rods, you want to pull from the bottom, kind of twist the perm rod around a few times until it is free, and then you will see that you are left with this beautiful tight curl. That's the trick to curling your locks. You need to make sure that your locks are completely dry, and when you are removing the perm rod, that you are not unraveling the curl, you are just removing the perm rod from the bottom of the lock, and boom, that is how I do my curly bangs. So I'm just going to remove the rest of these perm rods, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished look.
'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Now that I have successfully removed all of those perm rods, I'm just going to add a little bit of this hairspray just to give an extra hold to those curls, because you guys know we need these curls to last. Now this part is optional. You do not have to do this. I was really just experimenting to see if the hairspray would or could hold locks. And honestly, I don't know. I don't think the hairspray made a huge difference at all. But like I said, you can skip that part if you want, but I'm just going to remove this last little perm rod using that same technique. As you can see, I'm just taking it from the bottom and wiggling it out, and boom, you're left with a beautiful curl. To dry the hairspray, I'm going to use my handheld dryer on the low setting, and I'm just going to make sure that the hairspray is completely dry because we don't want the curls to fall. Now I'm going to add some accessories. These are some bamboo earrings, some real earrings that I'm just going to add to my locks. I got them from Honeybee Gold. They're actually on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram account below. But I'm just going to add these bamboo earrings to my locks. I just love them as little gold accessories. Kind of cool. But to get off topic just for a little bit, I hope you guys are enjoying this longer than usual video. Some of you had asked me to do longer videos, and so here it is. I hope to do more videos like this in the future, especially if this video does well. So make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. But this is pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you guys did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at astoldby Brittany D and all that fun stuff. But until next time, time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye-bye.